Now, paano kung pareho kayong healing pero gusto nyo pa rin subukan? So, real talk, paano kung pareho kayong nasaktan dati? Pero gusto nyo pa rin subukan tong love story nyo ngayon? Can two broken people really love each other, right? So, number one ito yung totoo, the truth. The truth is, yes, you can love while healing, pero it takes twice the effort, twice the honesty, and twice the patience. Kasi hindi kayo maglalaro ng perfect couple. You're learning how to be safe for each other habang pareho pa kayong natatakot. Number 2, communication and boundaries. Number 1 rule, communicate. Sabihin mo kapag anxious ka, kapag natitrigger ka, kapag kailangan mo na ng space. Hindi yan weakness. That's honesty. Number 2, set boundaries. Hindi ibig sabihin na may trauma ka. Okay lang saktan ka ng iba. Okay lang saktan ng iba. Healing doesn't give you a free pass to hurt someone who's trying to love you, right? Number 3, partnership and hope. When two people are healing together, it's not about fixing each other. It's about being patient enough to grow together. You'll have bad days, but you'll also have someone who understands your silence and someone that's all you really need. Someone who stay kahit hindi pa perfect. And so kung pareho kayong healing pero willing, take it slow. Communicate. Respect the process. Minsan, yung love na dahan-dahan, yun pa yung tumatagal. So, ikaw ba, healing ka pa rin ba o may kasabay ka ng nag-heal? Comment down below.